I'm trying to smart. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking the video. In this video, I'll be doing a quick gel set so I can continue on with my Halloween themes. I'm just struggling. I'm really tired. I'm drinking espresso. A shot of espresso right now so I can wake up. But I just need to do this hand, and I'm gonna do it extremely short. I just want to come on, try something different. I'm trying to get more personable, get more comfortable on the camera. I don't know. YouTube is not like, I'm just trying to figure it out. There's no right or wrong way, basically, with my own channel. It's my visual diary, basically, is how I'm treating this. So I don't even know if I might include this or not. I just wanted to greet, and I didn't put on makeup. I didn't do anything like that. I'm tired from working. I'm tired. I cleaned late last night, and I'm just tired today. And I just put up with me, I guess. I don't know if I want to include this. This is not it's not comfortable to me to do this. So just let me know how you feel about this. I eventually will start recording while I work, so because I enjoy that with Lizette and long hair, pretty nails. So there's a few people I used to watch just to learn how to do nails, get inspo from. But like I said before, I haven't really been doing it, and I'm about to get into it. So I'm just being more personal. Hey girl, hey, you know, all my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you. This is done. Me no like.